Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a very quick and very simple brow tutorial. I'm going to try and make it as easy as possible, and this is a really perfect everyday brow look. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so first things first, I'm just going to tweeze some hairs off of my brow. I'm just going to do the perimeter. I'm not going to do anything close to it because I am still growing my brows. I just don't want to take out any of that fullness. So next I'm going to go in with a brow pencil. This is the Kat Von D Signature Brow. I really like this because the head of it is nice and long and thin. I'm sorry if you guys can't really see that. But yeah, it's nice and long and thin, and it really gives the brows that microblade look. So I'm just going to go in with that. When I fill in my brows, I do hair strokes. I don't necessarily just go in and do lines. I do it just little by little. That way they look full and they look fluffy. You also want to go in with the direction of the hair growth. So if the hair is going down, you want to go down. If it's going up, you want to go up. Also, to map out your brows, you want to make sure that it's as long as that. So I need to go a little longer. My arch is where it's supposed to be, and my corner is where it's supposed to be. That's how you know that your brows are long enough and that they're shaping your face properly. Now, if you're just leaving the house, running errands, this is a perfect place to stop your brows. They don't need to be perfectly sculpted. And I'm sorry, guys, my son is in the background. He's keeping me company today. But yeah, so this is perfect for an everyday brow. You can still see my hair. And it just has like a nice shape. It's not too harsh and it's not too dramatic. Now, if you're going to do a full face of makeup, you may want it to be more defined and you do want it to be cleaner. So that's when this next step comes into play. So what I like to do is use an old concealer wand and just a concealer. I'm using the Born This Way. And that's what I'm going to use to define my brows. I'm going to take this. Now you don't want to get too close to your brow, and that's because if you line it directly underneath it, unless it is like a cream product, or if you're using like the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil, what'll happen is, because this is a cream concealer, I'm sorry, what'll happen is when you go in to clean it and buff it out, you'll end up going into your brow and shortening all that hard work you did. What's really nice about this technique as well, if you are like me, sometimes you're trying to grow your brows out, so you don't necessarily want to wax or you don't want to pluck them. Concealer will hide that hair, so you don't really have to go through the process of waxing to get clean cut brows, which is really nice. Now I'm just going to go in with a blending brush. You can also do your beauty blender. Usually I do, but because I'm just doing a brow tutorial right now, I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush and just press that in. It'll also highlight under your brow, so it'll brighten it as well. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with a brow gel. This is the Ready Set Brow from Benefit, and that's just going to lay the hairs down. And that, guys, is how you do a simple eyebrow routine. I hope this helped you. If you do have any questions, please comment down below and I will answer any questions you need as far as product knowledge, or maybe if you want to know how I do my brows when I'm using a pomade, just let me know and hopefully I can get that video up for you guys. See you later. Bye.